This is why you need to make focaccia pizza. It's crispy, cheesy, and downright irresistible. First up, let's prep our focaccia dough. In a large bowl, whisk together 2 types of flour, some semolina, and a pinch of kosher salt. Now, make a little well in the center like a mini volcano science class flashback, anyone? In a measuring cup, mix warm water with yeast until it's dissolved. Add a touch of honey, then let it sit until it's frothy and bubbly. Stream this yeast mixture into the flour volcano and mix with a fork. When it's just coming together, switch to your hands and knead it until it's smooth and stretchy. Cover the dough and let it rise for 3-4 hours. While the dough is doing its thing, let's make the sauce. Crush some drained San Marzano tomatoes in a bowl with olive oil, garlic, balsamic vinegar, and torn basil leaves. Hands-on is the way to go here. Literally. Preheat your oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. And brush a baking sheet with garlic butter. Spread the risen dough in the pan, poking it like you're playing a piano. Brush with more garlic butter, sprinkle with salt and herbs, and start layering with cherry tomatoes, burrata pearls, sauce, and those heavenly cheeses. Bake for 20-25 minutes until golden and bubbly. Brush with more garlic butter if you're feeling fancy, and garnish with fresh basil. Slice, serve, and watch it disappear. Enjoy!